What's happening, guys? Coming at y'all with a different type of review today. This is my new iPhone XS Max, so I wanted to open it up, give you a little tour of it. You may have already seen it, but if not, I'm going to do a unboxing of it. So anyway, here it is. Looks like in the box. Ordered it, pre-order. I currently have the iPhone, I think I'm shooting this on an iPhone 7 Plus. I'm currently operating on a 10 or iPhone X right here. I use the OtterBox Commuter Series, is what I love for protection on my phone. It's not too bulky, but it still gives it a good amount of protection, and they are very durable and last forever pretty much. Anyway, so I have already bought that for the iPhone XS Max. Let me get a razor blade real quick. Oh, I actually didn't even need one. So here's the box, high quality box as always with iPhone. So let's open it up. Also, we got the 512 gigabyte because I do tons of videos, as you guys know, and I can eat up a lot of space really fast with all the videos that I do, especially shooting in higher definition. So anyway, let's pop this bad boy open. You already know what it looks like. Designed by Apple in California. Open it up. There's the phone right there. And slide it out of there. So obviously it comes with all the AirPods, chargers, all that standard stuff. So holding it, it feels really similar to my 7 that I was just that I'm recording this on actually. So feels very similar to that. I'm gonna turn this around and do a tour of it on the back camera. All right, so giving you a tour of the front of the phone here and the sides. Very nice, sleek design. Buttons feel really nice as usual. So let's go ahead and pull the wrapper off. Oh, I guess I turned it on accidentally. Beautiful mirror finish there. Dual camera action going on. iPhone 7 still doing pretty nice for what it is, being an older technology phone. Hello. Swipe to open. English. United States. Quick start. Blah blah blah. How do we quick start? Bring it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and then I'll give you another tour and my thoughts on the phone after all that. Oh, I got fingerprints on it already. Alright guys, see you really soon. Alright, I just noticed what it said. So I have my 10 right here. So let me see if I can open it. So it's asking me if you want to do this to set up new iPhone. I was just looking at flights. Alright. Position this image in front of the... Alright. Oh. Finish on new iPhone. Alright. Let's see here. There's no way it could be that simple, right? I remember back in the day when you used to have to manually transfer numbers or go to a store and get them to transfer all the numbers. Big pain in the hiney. What do you guys think about this phone? I already know the Android lovers are going to be like, oh, that's 12-year-old technology. They were doing the same stuff back in Vietnam with Android phones. Maybe they were. Face ID. Have to set up Face ID. I really like this. It's super convenient. Love the Face ID feature. Alright, so we're about to get this started. Alright, first scan complete. Second scan complete. We're all set up. Comment below, let me know if you're an Android or an iPhone user. Something that I've noticed with Android people is they really don't like iPhone people. They'll go hunting down iPhone people to tell them how great their phones are, how much superior they are, but you never find iPhone people or Apple product people going like picking fights with people saying that theirs is so much better or their Androids suck. It's always the Android people that go and hunt down iPhone users, telling them that their phone that they just got sucks. But anyway, all right guys, so I got it all set up, and I have to say it feels really nice in my hand. The only thing bad about it is they do get fingerprints really bad. Not a huge deal because I always have mine in a case, but if you wanted to feel and see the beauty of the phone all the time, you would constantly have fingerprints all over it. But it does feel really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on, let's see. I think I have my face in the way, or you can't see my face. Let's see. All right, anyway, it's super quick. It's downloading it's updating all the apps and everything like that right now. So it seems like it plays super quick and feels nice. So happy with it so far. When I get it put into the case, and I'm also gonna bring my tin. So I'm gonna be doing the OtterBox commuter series, the one I always use. All right, let me grab my other phone and I'll give you a comparison. All right, so again, this is my X that I've had for a while, and I really liked it, performed well. You can see it's in the commuter series case, just like I'll have on the new one. So this one will almost fit inside of the other one of my new case, the new XS Max. So it'd be pretty, show you how much bigger it is. And this one is in immaculate condition as well. As you can see, this is my, I guess you could say, old phone, but you can see there's zero damage. I have a screen protector on here. So that's the only thing that I forgot to get with my new phone, but I'd ordered them yesterday. So I highly suggest doing a glass screen protector on these. They're awesome. You put them on there and it just somehow magically suction cups to it. You don't, zero bubbles. As you can see, there's zero bubbles on there or anything. And it's glass. It has a really nice touch to it, really nice feel. So this is the commuter series for the X that I had. So it's two parts. You have this part and the hard plastic part. You can see where I've dropped this thing probably hundreds of times, and this is the only damage that it's incurred is this on the edge right here. But obviously the phone is still perfect, so it's done its job, and that's the only break that it has. And this is over, I think this is over 2 years, so, or however long it's been out from the upgrade. So anyway, what I usually do is wipe off, not that it matters, but wipe off the new device before sliding it in to, let's see, give it to me. There we go. All right, so it slides down in here like so, and then you slide it in here like so. Only thing that's usually pretty difficult, well, I mean not really difficult, but getting this little charge port tab to come out the bottom right here. You usually have to do some finagling to get it out of there. I usually try to stick something in there to pull it out, but anyway, as you can see, popped in there. Looks very nice, sleek, Like I said, I have the glass screen protector that'll be on here soon, and it'll be good to go. So to do a size comparison between the two in their cases, I can show you this real quick. Let's see. Alright, it does look like the case has gotten a little loose over the years, but I mean it still does its job, obviously. So let's see these down here, and you can see the difference between the two. Alright, so XS Max on the left, it reminds me of my 7 Plus, the sizing. So again, XS Max on the left, and then the X on the right. This video is being recorded with a iPhone 7 Plus, so it looks like I'm now an owner of 7 iPhones. I'm at 3 iPhones. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I wasn't going to do this because I never have, but I had a couple of people say, why don't you do a review video? You have a ton of people following your videos and would probably like to hear your opinion on the phone. So here they are. This is my opinion. I think like I said, I'm an iPhone lover. I switched over from BlackBerry way back in the day when it was like iPhone 1 or iPhone 3, whatever it was. So I've been with iPhone for a long time. I've tried Droids and it just, they don't operate well to me. They seem really laggy, and I'm just not a fan of them. I know a lot of people love them, but me personally, I'm just not a fan of them. The Apple products, they just seem super easy to use. Like I'm just a fan of Apple. I've never had an issue out of them, so I continue to run and support them, even if the Android people are like, they're running on 27-year-old technology and this and that. But like I said, I'm a fan. So appreciate you checking out the video. If you like it, share it, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Later.